Thank
you
you.
said, I'd love to have some feedback on an offer I'm making. Is it clear? Does the language match the intention? All right, Carolina, what do you got?
Yeah, let me send the link I'm sending the link. Oh, should I send it in the chat on the bottom?
Yep.
Let me send it.
Oh, let me just do a screen share. Is this it?
I can't see anything yet. Yes. So there is 3 images that I would really like an opinion about. Just maybe a tally. And then the text is 1 page down, which is
Let's see.
what I would like to post with that.
Okay. I would go with this one just immediately because it's got a photo of you, which is to me. This is a little hard to read. The text. It's a little bit of friction on my eyes. Yeah, this is just easier to read. Okay, so then we go to the text and it says 20-minute spirit conversation.
This comes actually from your meantime thing.
Oh, fantastic.
I'm slow. I'm slow. I'm a little bit maybe behind, but I do things at my own pace, sort of. So this is from the Meantime program. One of the things that I chose to do was low-hanging fruit, and then that one, let's say, what worked in the past. So this is a really, I love this. I love to do this, but it's a hobby, and you'll read that as well. My real business is, of course, that I'm a rat race recovery coach. So I found that in the past, the people that I connect with most are people that love this type of stuff. Like I love this type of stuff because we already connect on something that is, I don't know. And then sometimes coaching comes out of this, and oftentimes it doesn't. But it's fun. So I like to do that anyway. So that's the sort of the backstory.
Got it. Okay. So well, first of all, it's interesting. Suzanne Kohlberg, who's in the membership, she had a similar thing where she does this boundaries coaching, like she's the nope coach, helps people learn to say no. And she did a free tarot read, like a tarot reading offer, and got this huge response from her people. So it's just a side thing. It's not that she wants to rebrand her whole business or change it, but she put out this offer and she got a good response. So you never know. Okay. So I'm a natural born psychic medium, have received spirit messages since as long as I can remember. I feel blessed and I continuously train and develop so I can become clearer in my spirit conversations and serve both spirit and my clients. I'm currently enrolled in an advanced level mentorship program and I'm aiming to practice these advanced level spirit conversation skills with people I don't already know. Therefore, I'm briefly opening up my calendar for 20-minute spirit conversations, normally only bookable by referral. Conversations will have roughly this outline: 2 minutes connect to spirit, 5 minutes identifying who it is, bring forth message, 10 minutes the message or a conversation between you and the spirit person, 3 minutes closure. Normally, I would like to offer you this possibility at a highly reduced rate of 15 euros, normally priced 109 euros. To secure your spot and schedule an appointment, book on the following link. It is sending you positive vibes, Carolina. Where am I? This is great. I like it. Here's what I love this, by the way. Having the structure of the session, it just immediately soothes my mind. Because I imagine for all of us, you see this 20-minute spirit conversation, and your first question is, what the fuck is this? 20 minutes? Like, what is happening here? And the confused mind says no. So if people don't understand what it is, it's trouble. But you tell us what it is. You also give a reason why you're offering this up. The one detail I would add to this is, for how long is this offer on, or how many spaces are you offering it up for? To me, that will make it more credible and believable. The other potential red flag is people may think this is going to be a pitch. Like we've all been so burned by discovery sessions at this point.
Right.
So
yeah, it's not.
Yeah,
It's,
okay.
it's
I-
really not. So how do I get that out?
You say it. You just directly say it. It's like, this is not a pitch. This is not a covert anything. This is me just, I'm trying to practice my new thing.
It's honestly, it's my way of paying it forward.
Sure. Excellent. Great.
On
Right. Yeah. So you name
Yeah.
that.
webpage.
And then, and you name how many are available. Because something about just saying there's only, I'm doing 50, I'm doing 100, I'm doing 10. It's just, there's also a built-in, very real scarcity. Here's why to act now. This is something I invite everyone to really consider for your own offers, is what is your answer to that question of why act now? There are real reasons to act now. This is not all marketing trumped up bullshit. There's this many spaces left. It's starting on this date. I'm never doing it again. It's half full. It's, there's all sorts of reasons why people might actually want to act now. And so it's just good if that's there, because otherwise it's like, oh, well, I'll get back to this later. And then they may be upset with you. Like, I didn't know there were so few spots. So but otherwise, this is great. Beautiful work.
Oh. Okay. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Um, thank you.
You're welcome.